Daydreaming about you and it's been a long day. Way our bodies get tangled, got us on replay. Lay it back in slow motion when I get lonely. Oh, I don't ever let you go. And I wanna see where this will go. I don't wanna talk when I can show how
because sometimes I just wanna be free from all this pain, window pane where I roll a tree. Looking out this frame at claymation things that molded me. Thankful that you holding me down and came back round, but it has started with this poetry. Played it way too cool when you first spoke to me. I only wrote them verses, wasn't that well versed yet socially. 10 years were past and it was exactly what it was supposed to be. Thought about her often, till it got hard to see her clearly. Who knew that was soften? Folks will bring a coffin to your dreams. I brought Folgers, she had caramel for coffee. We talk cream, we talk boulder. We was paraphrasing thoughts and spoken streams. We talk water, we talk whole and broken things. I be having them talks over and over in my dreams. Do you ever think
so much more to us? Look what we've become. Calling us. Speaking your love language, my favorite quote. Know just what you want before telling me so. Emotions come in oceans, you keep me afloat.